you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more and more video, because there is more to come. Alright, so this wig that I got is from Amazon. I will leave the link to it in the description down below. It comes with the wig cap and a Velcro lace wrap band and another band, and there's the wig. I got a 26-inch wig and it comes pre-plucked, but the knots are not bleached, which is why I'm going to bleach them in this video today. So if you want to see how I bleach my knots, and you want some tips and tricks of mine, stay tuned and watch the whole video. So straight out the bag, it comes wavy, and the texture of the hair itself is soft. I really like the texture, and I love the pre-plucked hairline. It was just pre-plucked, perfect for me. And it comes with the combs in the back if you need them, or if you don't, you can just take them off. And it did not come pre-bleached, so which is why I'm going to bleach it in this video. So stay tuned.
Even if you were a million miles.
So you're gonna need a bowl, a brush. I got these products from Sally's, or you could get it off of Amazon. I'm using a BW2 bleach, and I'm going to be using a 20 developer. So anything I'm using in this video I got off of by Sally's, but you can also get it off of Amazon as well. I'm using this amount, and I'm going to do 2 scoops. And basically with the developer, I'm going to just basically eyeball it, but I'm going to take it easy little by little, because you don't want it to be too smooth, because then it'll seep through the lace. I mean, you don't want to bleach the actual hair itself, you just want to bleach the knots. So you want to carefully put just enough for it to be a little clumpy and not, too loose that it seeps through the lace. And now you have a bleached hair. And you don't want that. There is a tip, I do have a trick of fixing it if that does happen. And just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification. So you get notified when I do post the video, because I do have one coming up of me fixing, just a little bit of bleach that got on the hair itself. I have a trick of fixing that easily.
I can still feel you in my bed, near me, touch me, feel me. And even at the bottom of the sea, I can still hear inside my head telling me.
And when applying the bleach to the knots, you sort of just want to use just enough pressure to apply the bleach on, and then just glide the bleach all over, the area where you want to bleach. You don't have to, do not press down, otherwise the bleach will seep through the lace. So just gently glide.
And all the time you were telling me lies. So tonight, I wanna find a way to make it.
So once you're done, make sure you apply aluminum foil on top to help keep the heat in, and to help it, bleach work even better. You want to leave it on for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, you want to rinse it off, and I'm going to use purple shampoo and conditioner. Both you can get at Sally's or on Amazon.
Make it without you tonight. I'm gonna find a way to make it with.
So the purple shampoo and conditioner works as a color enhancement or a color lightener. So you want to use that. Make sure you use that after you bleach your knots or your hair, just to give the color more enhancement.
I'm gonna hold on to the times that we had tonight.
So once you're done with the purple shampoo, you want to put on the purple conditioner and leave that on for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes.
Have you ever tried sleeping with a broken heart? Well, you could try sleeping in my bed. Lonely on me, nobody ever shut it down like you. You are the crown, you made my body feel heaven bound. Why don't you hold me, need me? I thought you told me you never leave me. Looking in the sky, I can see your face, and I know right where I've been. Take me, make me, you know that I'll always be in love with you.
Now once your 15 to 20 minutes are up, you want to make sure you thoroughly rinse off the conditioner, and you're pretty much done. That's it.
Right till the end. So tonight, I'm gonna find a way to make it without you.
So this is it, you guys. This is the final look. If this video helped you, make sure you give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions, share it with someone that it could help, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I am so thankful for you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Right now.